Yes, welcome back. Today I'm doing a review on kicks that have been released for a little while. A lot of people hit. I didn't. I find it hard to hit on these kicks in particular because I'm putting it down to they have limited pieces in my size. That's what I'm putting it down to. Not my bad luck, because I'm not wishing bad luck on me. 2025, all positive vibes. It just so happens it wasn't my time. But we're talking about the Travis Scott mid olives, and I finally get to do a review on these to give you my opinion as to, I think, one of the best colorways released last year. So let's just get straight into this. Yes, so if you don't know already, Travis usually comes in this kind of beige box with brown Nike logos on the top, usual kind of things. On the message here, you have on the label, it says Air Jordan 1 Low, OGSP. It says medium olive, black, cell, and muslin. So first of all, let's just we normally start with the sole of the kicks, and I'm going to do that today. Here we go. Here's the sole of the kicks. As you can see, normal Air Jordan sole, target in the middle of the foot, Nike branding, right, back slam, dem, bam, bam, badam in the middle, and then we go to a off-white midsole or beige midsole. What I'm going to do this time, I'm going to start at the heels, because what you have the Air Jordan ball on your right foot, and then on the left foot you have the Travis Scott symbol, as you can see there. Apart from that, both feet, apart from the inner sole, are exactly the same. So I'm just going to pick up one of these and we'll start. Like I said before, you have the off-white colour or off cream colour midsole, which travels all the way around the shoe. You then have that infamous Travis Scott reverse swoosh in a tumble soft black leather, going completely through the trainer, as you can see there, right up to near the toe box. You then have white overlays, which are typical of the Air Jordan 1s. There's no real difference to them where they put or anything like that. So it's definitely a Jordan 1. And then you have that medium olive colour running from the toe box all the way through the shoe, with just the overlay separating that, as well as the black tick. On the inside of the shoe, you have that infamous Travis Scott cactus logo or writing in red, which you get on all Travis Scotts. I'm not saying it's in red, but it's, you know, it's always there. And then on the tongue, which is a canvas material, you've got the Cactus Jack sign there, as well as the Nike Air logo, as you can see right there. Again, when these trainers come, they come with the white laces already in situ, but you also get another two pair of laces. You get the pink ones with the Jordan Jumpman on the box there, and you get the black ones again with the Jordan Jumpman on the box, as you can see. I honestly believe that this colorway, these laces, what they're giving you, all three of them will work with these. I've seen them with the pink ones on. They look wicked. I know people say pink for Pat and all that, but they do actually look really nice. I've even seen with the black on, and they even look nice as well, because it just contrasts with the black swoosh or Nike tick on each side of the kick as well. So good colorways for the laces. Honestly, good colorways. Again, like I was saying, the only other difference between the two, the left and the right foot, is the insole. On your right foot, you've got the Travis Scott right in there with the Nike branding, and then just at the ball of foot you've got the Travis Scott, face, whatever it is, with the stitching on the smile. On the left foot you have Nike branding with the Cactus Jack writing in the middle, and then at the top you've got, near the ball of the feet, you've got the basketball wings, Jordan wings inside there. I have to say the material on these are nice. I wish Jordan did these on all their shoes, because even though these are a collaboration, they still retail at the same price as every Jordan 1. So that means to me that they can do this type of material on all their Jordans. So there's no real excuses, if I'm honest with you. The overlay material is a nice soft leather. The medium olive is a nubuck leather, which is on the toe box and the side of the shoes as well. And the overlay on the back, again, is the same leather, which is on the toe box, but it just feels so nice. And I'm going to use the word buttery, but it's not buttery because that's a bit too hard. It's a nice kind of softish leather, and it's nice to touch. It's nice to feel. Like I said to you as well, the leather or the upside down swoosh or back to front swoosh on the side is a tumble leather, and again that feels really nice too. All in all, this is a nice quality kick. Travis has given you the materials you want to make this stand out, and like I said, I just wish Nike just were consistent with the materials that they give on all Jordans, because it would make people just want to buy them more, not feel like they're being done, even though Jordan 1s are still, 145, 165 pounds. It's still a lot of money for a kick, So if you've got material with it, you wouldn't feel so hard done by. Sometimes you get that paper feeling leather, which they say is real leather, but you just don't know. I'm glad I've got my hands on these. I'm really happy that these are now in my possession. I must admit, there is a bit of quality control on the heel here. I can't lie. Look, got a little dirt there, but I think I can rub that off. A bit of soap and water. I don't want to use anything that will hurt that even more, but it's just a little thing. They're so hard to get. You wouldn't even send it back for something like that, if I'm honest with you, because it'd probably be covered by jeans, and if you wore blue jeans, it'd probably go blue anyway, so you'd have to clean it anyway. So not really too bothered about that. Like I said, really happy to get these in my hands. I see why these were, or in my opinion, one of the best colorways released last year. I still like the canary yellows. I know a lot of people didn't, but again, this is top. Everyone seemed to get these apart from me. So happy to have these in my hands and give you those reviews. If you do want to try and get these are on resale. It's a Travis Scott name to it, so they are a bit premium in terms of reselling value, but not as mad as they used to be. Like you get them, you could sell it for £1,000. It's not like that anymore. So if you've got that £500 to go and buy these and you really want those, definitely worth looking into. All depending on size, obviously. So not much more for me to say. Really like these. Hope you did too. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And definitely hit the notification bell. And let me know what you think of these. Give me your comments. We'll just correspond in the chat. Yeah? I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.